Downward, Leah.
Yeah. Where's Leah? Hi, there's Leah. Hi, Leah. Hi. There's a bunny. Hi. Do, do, do. Going, Leah? You gonna push the cart? Which way is it gonna go? Okay, we're gonna follow you. Push the cart. Push the cart. Push the cart. Push the cart. Here comes Leah going down the hall. Leah, can you say hi? Can you say hi? Wave. Oh, no, we're going to the living room. Oh, running into Daddy's feet. Ah. Bad timing. Okay. Leah, walk towards Mommy. No, towards Mommy. There you go. Hi, Leah. Are you coming to see me? What are you saying? You saying something? What's over here? What's over here? You see the vent? Should we look at the vent? Okay. What do you see, Leah? A ball? Where? You're clapping. Is there something that looks like a ball over there? You're going into Mommy and Daddy's bedroom. Ball this way? Let's bring the ball this way. Yeah, you're carrying the ball across the living room. Oh, there it goes.